Okay, you're gonna start your Martelo kicking from the front leg first. So I'm gonna be stepping my back leg to the side, positioning my toes to the side so my kick can follow that same direction. Step the leg back on the center and reset the position. So I step from the back to the side, change the arm when I extend the leg, and then go back to the same position. If I wanted to kick from the back leg, I pivot my front leg to the same side that my kick is going. So I kick straight from the back and straight back to the ginga. I can bring my leg. And when you kick, make sure you chamber before you kick and then extend. You don't need to do that slow because you're probably going to lose your balance, it's normal, but just so you can understand. On the other side, kicking from the back will be the same thing. As I spin my front leg, I kick and bring the leg back. At the beginning, don't worry about the height or anything like that. You can just practice where the kick's going. And if I'm going to use my front leg, so I step, my toes are ready to that side where I'm going to kick, bring the leg to the middle and reset. So step, kick, and reset. Okay, let me show you from the side angle so you can see as well. So I'm going to be kicking from my front leg again. So I step from my back leg to the side, so my kick follow the direction, and then come back. So as you step, I change my arm and change my arm when I extend it as well. If I'm going to kick from my back, I'm going to pivot straight from the front leg. Kick, and on the other side will be the same thing. So as I spin, I kick, and the height that you're going to kick doesn't matter. You can kick high or low. It doesn't matter. Just keep practicing the spin and changing your arm so you can get used to it.